Step number 1. Remove the rear tailgate cover. Step number 2. Install the 4 8mm T-bolts. Install each T-bolt with a washer and a nut. Step number 3. Tighten the T-bolts to 5 foot-pounds. Step number 4. Install the lower 10mm T-bolts. Install each T-bolt to the inside of the slot with a washer and a nut. Step number 5. Tighten the lower T-bolts to 7 foot-pounds. Step number 6. Install washers onto each of the studs. Install 8mm washers on the upper studs, then 10mm washers on the lower studs. Step number 7. Install the table onto the studs. Step number 8. Install the washers and nuts. Install 4 black washers and 4 of the 8mm nuts to the 4 top studs. Step number 9. Install the washers and nuts. Install 2 black washers and 2 of the 10mm nuts to the 2 lower studs. Step number 10. Tighten the 8mm nuts to 5 foot-pounds. Step number 11. Tighten the 10mm nuts to 7 foot-pounds. Step number 12. Close the table.